This store has generated over $600,000 in revenue by selling simple digital products that have received little attention. In today's video, I will guide you through the process, step by step, demonstrating how you can easily launch a similar business with the assistance of AI. You will acquire all the necessary knowledge to introduce your initial product and begin making sales. Upon conducting some research, I discovered a substantial demand for watercolor clip art graphics, surprisingly with minimal competition. This scarcity might be attributed to the need for design skills to create such graphics. For those unfamiliar, clip art graphics are pre-made illustrations used to enhance visual appeal. Essentially, they are PNG images with transparent backgrounds. When searching for this product on Etsy, you'll notice significantly less competition compared to other digital products like planners. Further research led me to a store specializing in clip art graphics across various niches and styles. Judging from the numerous reviews, this store appears to be highly profitable. To gain more insights, I utilized a paid tool called Allura to gather additional information about the store's performance, and the results were indeed impressive. The store earns approximately $9,000 per month, with total revenue exceeding $600,000. Examining their listings, one, for example, offers simple flower illustrations. Analyzing the analytics, this particular listing generates around $300 per month and has amassed over $11,000 in total revenue. Another listing yields roughly $400 per month and has earned $8,000 in total revenue. Now let's explore another store that focuses on clip art graphics. This store makes around $3,000 per month and has accumulated over $100,000 in total revenue. It is evident that there is substantial demand for such products, presenting ample opportunities for sales. Our advantage over competitors lies in our ability to leverage AI to publish numerous listings quickly, increasing our chances of making sales. An additional method to assess the performance of a product is by examining customer reviews. For instance, taking a closer look at a product with substantial reviews, especially recent ones, indicates its profitability. It's essential to read these reviews to gain insights into customer preferences and usage, which will help you differentiate your product from competitors. Now, I encourage you to conduct research to better understand your chosen products and gather as much information as possible. Once you have a clear idea, you can proceed to the next step, creating the graphics with the assistance of AI. Before generating the images, ensure that your AI bot is set to version 5, accessible by typing settings. Let's say you want to create a product similar to Wildflower's clip art. To do this, copy the main keywords from the title and head to Mid-Journey. Begin by typing the Imagine prompt, followed by pasting the design keywords and hitting enter. After Mid-Journey generates the images, you'll have 4 options to choose from. You can also upscale or obtain variations of the selected image using the provided buttons. For better comprehension, let's consider another example. After identifying a listing you're interested in, gather an overall understanding of its content, including the number of graphics and style. Review customer feedback to discern their preferences and dislikes. Base your product creation on this information. Using the product's keywords, generate illustrations in Mid-Journey. Don't hesitate to experiment with various prompts to unleash your creativity. Once satisfied with the results, download the image. Keep in mind that not all images generated by Mid-Journey may have high resolution. To address this, use an image upscaling tool like AI Image Upscaler to improve quality. Now, you're ready to prepare the product for sale. Clip art images should be delivered separately in transparent PNG format. To achieve this, use a free online tool like Photopea, which functions similarly to Photoshop. Upload the enlarged image, remove the background, which is easier with a white background, and separate each illustration into its own template. Export each one as a PNG file. To deliver the product to customers, upload all designs to a Google Drive folder and copy the link. Create a simple PDF page in Canva with a button that directs customers to the Google Drive folder. This PDF file will be sent to buyers, granting them access to the clip art illustrations. Etsy is an excellent platform for selling digital products. While some may find it competitive, it's entirely possible to succeed by offering more value or enhancing your listing's appeal. Detailed guidance on setting up an Etsy shop and listing your first item can be found in my video, linked in the description. As we conclude this video, I want to express my gratitude for your support. Although I usually prefer trying out ideas myself and sharing the outcomes, I felt compelled to introduce this side hustle to you because of its immense potential, especially with the aid of AI. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I look forward to our next encounter.